Morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. So at first, enroll the list of all apps and open Settings. Then find and select Accounts and Backup, open it, and mark Manage Accounts at the top of the list. Click on plus icon to add new account, choose Google. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or LTE, and now provide email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. Then select Next, and now enter your password. As only the password is entered, mark Next. Now decide if this device belongs to you or to your kiddo and select Next. Here click on I agree. Accept, and that's it, the account is added. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.